Now I will talk about the soul of Nostradamus. The soul of Nostradamus is a wealthy soul. He has come to the university with some group on a journey. They are wandering souls, sir. So these wandering souls actually wander throughout our many galaxies with their groups. Then he came into our galaxy and came through our galaxy into our solar system, meaning he came into our universe. Then there is a whole process where these wandering souls know about, who come from the formless before. From formless they become form and then arrive in Sipuri, then in Vishnu Puri, then in Brahma Puri, and then come down to the lower realms. They come down into different dimensions and observe. Then gradually this soul also came into our earthly realm. It was then observed in another lower realm and later came to earth. The soul had been wandering on earth for many years in a form shape. So what was going to happen on earth in the subtle realm was going to be very strange. There were going to be great wars. A third world war was going to happen. So he wanted to alert the people of the world in one way or another that this third world war is going to happen. It is going to happen. It is going to happen. So in the subtle realms, the souls that are responsible for making these things happen through their form are the last souls that observe the vibration, while the powerful souls pick up their vibration to understand what will happen and what will not happen on earth. Soon Nostradamus captured everything in the final form in the subtle realm. That this is going to happen on earth in 500 years. It is going to happen. It is going to happen. It is going to happen. Then he thought that he must convey a message to the humans of the earth in one way or another to gradually make them alert. So the soul of Nostradamus was a good one. But now he did not want to take an incarnation like Dolce Cannon, who put power into her own body and took her own incarnation. If we say his old incarnation, then his body is his own and we call it the incarnation. Just as Dolus was also in a formed shape. Nostradamus did not do that. Nostradamus thought that he would not go in his form shape. He did not want to put any power into his form. If there is a human soul that is in a form shape, he could use that soul to take his future and make it known. So the original form, soul of Nostradamus. However, Nostradamus' name was indeed in a form shape. What Nostradamus wrote, his name was that of a vegetarian human soul. The human who was supposed to write. But we would refer to him as the shape of Nostradamus. But originally, he had nothing to do with it.